Welcome, today I am with Realme GT Master Edition and we are going to check if this device comes with silicone protective case in the box set. Yeah, as you can see, we can find here this gray silicone case. We can try to put it on our phone. Okay, it's not easy to put it on, definitely. Okay, but we can make it. So, it looks like that. Good access to the jack 3.5mm, USB-C, speakers, buttons are covered, cutout for microphone. The case comes a little bit above the screen. And what about the cameras? Yeah, it also goes a little bit above the camera set. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.